Hi everyone, we're going to solve these two exponential equations. They're very similar, so you might want to watch me do the first one and then try to do the second one on your own and then check your answer. So let's get started. The first step is to make these the same base. So I'm going to make it base 2. So in other words, my a equals 2, so I can follow some of these rules. So for this one, I'm going to use my negative exponent and write this as 2 to the negative 1 power. Then multiply it by whatever's there. And to make this a base 2, that's going to be 2 squared. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is use my power rule and multiply those. So that's going to be 2 times negative 1. I won't put the 1 minus x equals 2 squared. We have our bases equaling each other, so that's good. So now we just have to deal with the exponents. So you have, I'm going to go ahead and distribute that negative 1. So we have negative 1 plus x equals 2. I'm going to add the 2 to both sides, add the 1 to both sides, and you get 3. So I'm adding 1. So my solution set is 3. All right, the next one is this one. So the same thing, I'm going to use my negative exponent property or rule, and that's going to be 2 minus x. And then to change my base, I'm letting my base a equal 5. So it'll be 5 squared. Now my 5, so let's go ahead and distribute this negative 1. So that's just negative 1 times 2 minus x equals 5 squared. Since my 5's match, I just have to deal with my exponents now. So I have negative 2 plus x equals 2. So when you add 2 to both sides, you get x equals 4. So your solution set should be 4. And that's it. Thank you. Have a very nice day. Bye-bye.